She can flap her wings and flutter, but she couldn't fly away.
Can her fly?
She could, but if she was on the ground and she wanted to be up here, she could fly up that high.
Why?
But she couldn't really fly like, you know, she couldn't.
Up to tree.
Right, she couldn't fly to Florida for the winter or anything like that. She could.
Yeah, or Colorado.
No, she could not make it to Colorado. Well, maybe up a mountain. Maybe a little bit at a time she could go up a mountain. She has a funny hairdo on her head too, feathers. I like that. That's why I picked her, because she's funny. She has an extra toe too. Most chickens only have 4 toes, but see, she has this other little extra short one here. See the funny little one in the middle? Yeah. Huh? There's a fancy word for that when you have an extra toe or an extra finger. Do any of you have an extra toe or extra finger? Me either. Me either. It's called being polydactyl. We have a cat that has extra claws too. He's polydactyl. She's calming down. She's getting used to you guys.
Wow.
Right. So she's pretty. Get up.
Wow. I did not know that.
There we go. That is so cool.
I know. It's like some kind of magic.
Let her lay an egg.
Sweetheart, she can't just lay an egg.
Well,
Yeah.
She lays an egg about. She lays about 1 egg almost every day. I bet she lays 5 or 6 eggs in a week.
What's in here?
Those are some eggs. Does anybody want some eggs? Take one. Here.
Well, we don't have anything to carry on that.
Oh, I can just cut the styrofoam here into